County in central Illinois, Mason County in central Illinois, Peoria County in central Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hurstville to near Bath, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Havana, Mason City, Layton, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Bartonville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Henry, Farmington, Tremont, and Elmwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 20 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 72 and 106. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and west central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no